Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and this is a continuation of the previous video. This video was shot the next day of the day shot in the previous vlog, and at the end of that vlog I had shown preparing a healthy cake using oats, bananas, wheat flour and a few more ingredients. You can see that in today's vlog. Now in another vlog you might have seen me preparing this traditional appam. We call it otada. Had received a lot of comments asking to add cooked rice to make it softer. To be honest, adding cooked rice definitely will make it softer, and in today's breakfast I prepared it that way just for a change. Have been making this several times now with cooked rice, without cooked rice. Here Rihan loves it without cooked rice. And also I guess many would prefer that way, especially in our family. I guess we make it that way. For me, either way is fine. I just need sweet coconut milk to have with it. I enjoy that combination. My younger brother came home the next day and I prepared the same for him. He loves this for breakfast, and his favorite combination with this appam is beef. I had prepared this on the day he came home. I didn't take any video, just a small clip of this, that's all. Moreover, I had already shown how to make this traditional dish in that other video. Just the difference is that here I added shredded coconut as such, without adding it while grinding the rice, and I ground cooked rice along with the soaked white rice here. Now on this day I prepared rice dumplings in chicken curry as well, a dish that I had prepared long time ago and I was craving for it. To save time, I these days buy rice flour, where we need to add just normal temperature water and can avoid the long procedure and all that. This is Ajmi brand rice flour and it is nothing sponsored. The ratio of water to rice is same. I have taken it same, but on the packet it says to add quarter cup more. But in this I will be adding a ground coconut mixture which will add the wetness more needed. So for the coconut mix, I used 4 or 5 shallots, a cup of shredded coconut, some cumin seeds and fennel seeds. You will have to mix this with the dough and it's ready to make dumplings. Now this is how it looks when adding cooked rice to the batter, but even if you don't have it, doesn't matter, it will be still soft, just that it won't be as spongy as this one. Normally for the rice dumplings that we prepare, we make it into very small sizes, but this time I'm showing you a different version that was once made because I wanted to save time and loved by everyone at home. Rather than the tiny ones, I'm making a little more thick and flat version. This will be just like having thick rice rotis that's dipped or sunk in curry. Give this a try and I'm sure you will love it. Be sure to spread some oil on your palm so that it doesn't get sticky. Now, if you spread a little more and make it flatter and later deep fry, this becomes another dish. And this is also a very tasty dish along with any non-veg curry. Now, with the same dough, you can make rice rotis as well. With the same thing, you can use it for making an evening snack where you spread this on a small piece of banana leaf, spread some filling in the center, then fold and make it into a half moon, steam it or fry it. It's as tasty as it looks. So there are many items you can prepare with the same dough. Don't forget to add the coconut mix because that's what the flavors comes for the dumplings. This dish I have eaten from restaurants, but it's never the same as we make it at home, and the difference is the coconut mix in the dumplings. Place this over hot boiling water and steam for about 15 minutes. The chicken gravy I'm preparing here is very basic. Normally we add a ground blend of roasted coconut along with some spices and such. That gives an authentic taste for sure. Breakfast when it's late becomes brunch. So to not make it even late, everything needs to be quick. So just skipping the coconut part, and I have added coconut milk instead. These mini rice rotis are cooked and cooled down a bit. It's better to let it sit for a while after cooking with the lid open, and try to separate each if possible. It will get separated in the gravy after a couple of minutes of gentle mixing, but I like to separate it before adding to the gravy. I had sauteed onion and curry leaves in hot coconut oil, then add chicken pieces. Mix till they change color. Add a spoonful of ginger garlic paste and saute till the raw smell goes. Add a few green chilies. I have reduced the spicy level in my cooking nowadays just because I want Leon to get a taste of everything that we cook. He needs to get used to spicy food, of course, but it will be done gradually. So I do add, but in moderation and as much as I know how much he can handle. Add tomatoes sliced or chopped along with some salt. Once the tomato is soft and mushy, add turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, and then give a good mix. Add chopped coriander leaves. I added around half cup of coconut milk. Give a mix. Add a little more hot water. Now it's time to add mini rotis. Mix everything well and let it sit on low flame for a couple of minutes. And here's the banana oats cake. The sweetness came in from the bananas as it was overly ripe and really sweet. If you want extra sweetness and not to disturb the healthy factors involved, I would suggest drizzling some honey while having it. And it's time to have our food. That's sweet coconut milk. And that's all for today's video. See you all in my next one. Until then, take care everyone. Bye bye.